Hey, Jama, congrats on an amazing journey with Midwest. Enjoy your retirement. I'll never forget our first meeting. I was checking in to the first of now 9 workshops. I knew nothing. I was full of doubts about my ability and direction. When I told you I'd had a couple of short stories published, you smiled and said, "You're an author." That confidence and encouragement did it. Now, $6 later, thank you. Enjoy.
Hey, Jama, thank you so much for all the time and dedication that you've given to Midwest Writers Workshop. It has made all the difference for so many writers of the Midwest, including myself. I wouldn't have the successes that I've had without this organization, and I'm so honored to be a part of it, and I'm so honored to have gotten to work with you at MWW. And your dedication to Midwest Writers is everything, and I appreciate it so incredibly much. And best of luck on this next adventure.
Hi, Jama. It's Leah and Maple, and I guess obviously I need to thank you. From the very first time we talked, you believed in me, and over the last few years, as I've been your sidekick, or at least one of them, I have learned and been learning to believe in myself as much as you believe in me. And I know I'm not the only one with that experience. You have quite a legacy that you're leaving in the writing community. And whatever fish they've got following you has really big shoes to fill. But thank you again for everything, Jama. Say bye. Bye.
Jama, you're just the best. You have been such a wonderful supporter of my work and poetry, and I'm so appreciative. It's been my pleasure to serve on the board with you for the last 4 years and to be your trusty secretary. I've enjoyed every minute of it. You're certainly my literary champion, and I wish you the best in your retirement, good health, and happiness.
Hey, Jama, thanks for all you've done for Indiana writers, which is an awful lot. We really appreciate it and hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful retirement with lots of reading, particularly books by Indiana writers.
Hi, Jama. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything that you've done over the last 40, 50 years for encouraging writers and being there in Muncie when we all needed you to be there. You've done an amazing job. You've changed a lot of lives. You've contributed to a lot of stories, and you've just made life better for all of us. So thank you, thank you, thank you for your hard work. From me, from Cass, from my family, from my readers, we really, really appreciate you, and you're the best cheerleader ever. Thanks.
Hey Jama, it's Annie Sullivan, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for all that you've done for me and for the book community. I can honestly say that I would not be a published author without you. These books would not exist without you and all your mentoring that you've done for me and for so many other authors. You've given so much of your time, your talent, your treasure, your life in general has been given to other people to help them achieve their dreams. And I just want you to know that that has never gone unnoticed. We've always been so thankful for all that you've done. You have created this community. You are the heart and the spirit of this community. You keep us coming back year after year. We would not be able to do this without you. And as you can see from all the books that you've helped get out into the world, your reach goes so far, so much further than you can even imagine. You impact so many lives by helping the writers in your community. And it's not just the Ball State community that's lucky to have you, or just Indiana. It's the book community as a whole who should thank you for all that you've done, not only for me, but for so many authors. So from the bottom of my heart, Jama, thank you so, so much. You are amazing. I love you, and I wish you all the best.
Hi, everybody, and congratulations on your retirement, Jama. You know how much I love the conference, you know how many times I've been there, you know what a long journey it's been, and you've been there every step of the way. I really wanted to thank you for that. I can't wait to see you. I guess by the time this video gets seen by anybody else, I will have seen you, so we'll be having a great time. I did want to say that I don't know if I mentioned it, maybe I have. I named a character for you in the new book. I named the family in this book the Kehoe family, and I don't know if you're going to thank me for it, to be honest. We'll just see what you think. The happy retirement, and I can't wait to see you.
Hey, Jama. One of the first things I learned at Midwest Riders was to avoid cliches. So no bright sunny day today. But one of the other things I learned was that even if everything was rainy and cloudy, you'd still make us feel like it was going to be okay. For that and all your friendship, I love you. Have a happy retirement. Thanks.
Jama, I have always been inspired by your generosity of spirit and service to writers and the entire writing community. Your work and your support has touched countless lives and made so many dreams come true. Thank you.
50 years. How can it be 50 years? You've done a marvelous job. You've been such a good leader. You've helped so many get published, helped so many keep on writing, and best of all, you've loved us all one-on-one. Thank you, Jama, for what you've done for the Writers of America.
I was so delighted when they asked me, Jama's favorite, to do a video to play to celebrate her. The thing about Jama is, no, I'm not her favorite, but she makes every single one of us feel as though we are. She embraces us. She celebrates our gifts. She lets us into her life and spreads joy and generosity and kindness. And, you know, we're here to celebrate her because of what she's done for Midwest Writers. But the truth is, it's so much more than writing. She has done so much more to change lives simply by being the person that she is. So it is my happiest day moment tonight to say, Jama, I love you so much. And thank you.
Hey, Jama, congratulations on your retirement. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't have these ridiculous sheep that I'm writing about in my next book. Thanks. Love you.